So what comes with a basic vLoc3 5000 kit? Hi, my name is Royce Kemp with In-Depth Utility Solutions, and in this video we're going to go over what comes with the basic vLoc3 5000 kit. Here you have the basic vLoc3 5000 kit. Now the vLoc3 5000 kits are customizable, so in this video we're only going to cover the basic vLoc3 5000 kit and what comes with it. And what you get is this nice padded soft bag with the shoulder strap, and in this bag you're going to put your vLoc3 5000 receiver, your Loc-10 SIS transmitter, 5-inch induction clamp, and any accessories you may have decided to buy. You get the vLoc3 5000 receiver with a Bluetooth module so you can connect to an external GPS. You have an internal GPS, and you get the signal direction and the signal select frequencies. You get a AC wall charger with a lithium-ion battery pack, an alkaline battery pack with the batteries, a USB cable to manage your software, your Loc-10 SIS transmitter with alkaline batteries, conductive leads with standard clips, a cable wrap, and an earth ground rod, 5-inch induction clamp, and a user handbook. This is what you receive when you purchase a basic vLoc3 5000 kit.